Away from the hustle and bustle of city life lies the quaint village of Noron under Maukinrao Sea NRD block. It is here that a football prodigy, Deiphibakor Lyting, gained attention as she showed off her football skills. Here is a report.
Old is a student of class 7 at the Noron Presbyterian Upper Primary School. It is at her front yard where she learned to get her feet moving and to control the ball, combining movements that left onlookers in awe. She often plays with her relatives and later a local footballer. Pendaplang Warmali helped Deiphibakor Lyting refine her skills. A fan of footballer Cristiano Ronaldo, Lyting said she loves to play football and is looking forward to play in Shillong.
Ang nagbaban le kay siya club. Kung siya Shillong, sumatanad le kay football. Pan siya le kay kung tohi.
Pendaplang Warmali said that if she gets the proper training at Football Academy, Lyting will be able to represent the state and the country.
Idefi ka sapte iladon lapa te ngadon hi musim iba inang ba nganang pan kamjen penjanasu ya ka sap ka ba iladon I shim ya ka skill jong Ronaldo wala impat la Henry in iong bangan nang jai persiang.
Her mother, Hailen Lyting, said that she saw her daughter's interest in football as early as 4 years old. She is determined to allow her daughter to play football.
Nado bai dang saus nem grata I sajale kai merwe ure kimto ta dadon pat ke por ke bai laj I le kai pat ki parakhna hangni ya plau ngapan slur be I ngam ju khang le ki bagi kwa ban le kai football na mar banga I bai thrang si sana do man sim.
With a passion for football and the support of her family and local mentors, Deiphibakor's journey is just the beginning. If given the right opportunities and training, she has the potential to achieve great things in the world of football, inspiring many along the way. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.